Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is King Joe of Wall Street. So this is trade review and recap of my 1:30 on USDCAD and 1:24 on BTCUSD this week. So first of all, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more contents like this. Now last weekend I saw price reacted from a 30-minute order block on BTC. That is this first rectangle you are seeing, and then I waited for price to give me a confirmation so that we can continue selling BTC for the whole week. But at that moment, normally I used to place my entries on the 30-minute zone, but recently I've changed my strategy to always wait for confirmation because price might decide to just take use of the zone. So this was actually a 1:24 trade, and Bitcoin actually sold so much up to even 78,000 from about 90 something, which this trade would have reached a 1:220, but actually that wasn't my target. I was only targeting 1:24, and I think I turned $3 to. So right now this is the zone. You can see this 5-minute zone. This is the other block. The other block is the last. This is a bearish environment, so it's the last bullish candle before an impulsive bearish move, and then price came very close to it, which is our liquidity, but price did not tap into it. Then price later tapped into it at the end, that part that you can see right there. I've got a lot of questions from people coming on TikTok and asking me about how I got this entry, so that's basically the concept behind it. So I also got this re-entry too, and I posted the before and after on my TikTok. Price later reversed a little bit to a new zone and then later hit our take profits that same Sunday, right? Yeah, that Sunday evening. So then after that, we see that price continued dropping up till okay, let's see the RR as I was talking about. I think this happened around Monday. Price hasn't really dipped very well at that time. But as you can see, this is where price reached so far. Now, I didn't actually know that Bitcoin was to fall to this zone because there was no analysis that could predict that. Yeah, 221 RR. But if I actually knew from fundamentals that Bitcoin is going to be dropping and the pressure on the dollar is going to be too strong, I would have just been selling, but at least I got out in profit with that first set. So now here is the trade I was trying to catch. This trade already hit SL at the recording of this video, but anyways, I know that we're going to sell a little bit before we continue buying. So to me, I feel like Bitcoin has changed character at this point. So next week we are going to be bullish. I'm just trying to catch a little reversal before we continue going bullish because it has changed character on the 15-minute time frame. So I think that's about this setup. Now this was a setup I missed in the morning because I was sleeping, but when I woke up, just similar thing that happened to that other one right there. 5-minute order block, inducement close to it, price tapped into the zone. So I'm expecting a 1:44 on this second setup, but and one thing with tight stop losses is that even if your stop loss get hit, you're not losing much. The risk is low. Now to the 1:30 trade recap on USDCAD. I know this is what most of you all have been waiting for. This video actually went viral, almost at 3K views on TikTok. So first of all, I cited another block from the 1 hour time frame. I want to just give you guys a clear understanding of how this trade came out, because from watching this video only, and if you take everything I'm talking here and you understand it, can actually change your trading game. So on the daily time frame, we had another block around this zone, and after price reacted from the other block, and I said, all right, we are going to be bullish. Just simple stuff, nothing much. Then on the 1 hour time frame, I saw this other block, that black candle you can see there, and I highlighted it, and price came close to it, which is the liquidity for the other block. The before and after of these trades, I was on my TikTok. In case you think I just drew these setups, you can check it out. So after that, I waited for price tapped in, and then we closed it on Friday. I posted it, and someone was saying, I'm scared, I'm not waiting for TP, and I told the guy that the moment the weeks open, I'm going to find new POI and continue buying. Now that is why I was able to get this point of interest. You can see price reacted from the 15-minute zone, right? This order block, then gave us another new order block and liquidity in the same direction. So market structure, you know that we are bullish because we have confirmed price right from daily order block, final order block. Liquidity is the nearest, like inducement liquidity, the pullback that is the first valid pullback is our inducement, and then point on interest bar. So 1:30 and 1:36. That's how I was able to catch the buy today. So now I'm still buying even till next week. But remember, apply proper risk management. Fundamentals might change the buyout, but right now USDCAD is bullish. And next week I'm gonna be taking my entry from this 45-minute order block that I highlighted here. But don't make your stop loss too tight like this, because your spread alone might take you out. So just make sure you know what you are willing to risk or have a mental stop. And then this is my liquidity. So I'm going to wait for price to reverse. And remember, don't just place entries, always wait for a reaction. Don't forget to like this video, guys, and subscribe to the channel. It's King Joe of Wall Street, and every week I'm going to be dropping the recaps of trade I took and also forecast for next week. Thank you. I'll see you all later. Bye.